My name is Rodney Reddick. I am the Executive Director for the Texas Manufacturing Assistance Center, which is the Manufacturing Extension Partnership Program for the state of Texas. We get quality systems and processes within companies, introducing them to technology and showing them where to apply the appropriate technology and really helping a small manufacturer succeed. We want to be the go-to for manufacturing within the state. Today is an opportunity to bring new technology and new concepts to manufacturers and to the market, to a place for us to collaborate, to bring some of the ecosystem together of what's out there to assist manufacturers and help grow the economy here in the state.
I'm here to learn a little bit more about what the opportunity looks like for fusion technology development as a sustainable energy source, and so we're looking for partners in really developing the manufacturing database in order to roll out the technologies in a way that benefits not only the local communities but also the country as a whole. The conversations you have at these meetings, while focused on the specific technologies, you will make connections that will end up benefiting you down the road in terms of identifying partners, identifying resources that really take advantage of everyone's opportunities and talents.
If your company hasn't joined our Texas Manufacturing Network, I would encourage you to get on the platform. You can go into TMAC.org. There's opportunities to bid on RFQs and to communicate with other manufacturers here in the state. And we really are trying to build that network to assist those manufacturers to understand what's next door.